Mary Grace, I just wanted to come and look at your assignment, show you how to get sound to show up in the animation pane, because then you can manipulate it the way you want it to work, and you can make it work after the text box shows up, or after the timer's done at least. So here's your sound right here, and I'm seeing that I can't drag and drop it into here to make it be a part of the animations. So what I actually have to do is go to save this as, save media as. This is probably a sound that you found built into PowerPoint, which they don't seem to like to work very well. And then I'll just save that as my bell as a media file, and I just remember where I put it. It's in my downloads folder for now. So I save it there, and then I can delete this sound out of here. And then if I go to Insert, Audio, and Audio on my PC, and I'm going to go ahead and select that very same sound that I just saved and choose Insert, and place the speaker accordingly as where I want it to go. But now that I've inserted this, notice that it is now in the animation pane. So it is a matter of just making sure you save it as a media file and then re-import it in. And for some reason, it's to me this is kind of buggy or kind of a glitch thing, but for some reason doing that actually fixes the job. So now I've got this bell in here, and I can tell it to start after the previous thing ends, or with the previous, depending on what's previous to it, and it will play when this text box shows up. So that's how to fix that issue.